Welcome to TechMind, your source for all things tech. In today's video, we'll be exploring the exciting world of virtual reality, VR. We'll take a closer look at the opportunities and challenges of VR and what the future holds. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of VR. So, what is VR? Simply put, it's a computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional environment that can be interacted with using specialized equipment, such as a headset or gloves. One of the most promising applications of VR is in the field of gaming. With the ability to transport players to a fully immersive virtual world, the possibilities for gaming are endless. But VR isn't just for gaming. It has applications in many other fields, such as healthcare, education, and even architecture. However, there are also challenges facing VR technology. One major challenge is the potential negative effects on human health. Motion sickness, eye strain, and other issues have been reported by some users of VR technology. In addition, there are concerns about the cost and accessibility of VR equipment. Despite these challenges, the future of VR is bright. As technology continues to advance, the potential for new applications of VR grows. So, what does the future hold for VR? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the possibilities for this exciting technology are endless. That's it for today's video on the future of virtual reality. We hope you found it informative and insightful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to TechMind for more exciting tech content, and hit the notification bell to be notified of our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.